In this lesson, we will learn how to create a silent auto backup system and multiple folder backups with a single bash file. We will also learn how to make the backup system run every after a specific minute or hour. Watch till the end so that we can learn this lesson in detail. Hey everyone, it's me Chogyal. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and also like this video so that you will help me to reach this video to more people who need it. In part 1 of this video, we learned how to create a simple automatic backup by using the extended copy and task scheduler. We'll use the same concept here, but we will work out further to improve our backup system. Without a further ado, let's get into the tutorial. Let's create a batch file. Open your notepad and type here xcopy. Right now, let's keep this much. We will edit it later. Go to file and save as any file name you want, but don't give the file name as xcopy because it crashes the extended copy system. I am saving here the file name as backup. Add .bat at the end of your file name. Click on save. We can see here we have created our batch file. Next, we will create a VBS file because we want to run the batch file in the background. Open notepad and type code as follows. Set wsh shell equals create object wscript.shell wsh shell dot run chr34 and folder path / filename dot bat and chr34, 0 set wsh shell equals nothing. Let's look for the folder path of the batch file. Right click here on the batch file and go to properties. Copy this file location. Delete this and paste here the folder path that we have copied. Here our batch file name is backup, so delete this and type here backup. Now save the file. You can give here any file name you want, but make sure to add .vbs at the end of your file name. I'm keeping here the file name as launch my backup. We have successfully created here our VBS file. This VBS file will silently launch the batch file to take place the automatic backup. So in this way our automatic backup will look much more professional. Now go to task scheduler, go to action and create a task here. Let's give the task name as my automatic backup. Go to triggers, click here on new. Here I'm choosing on a schedule, okay. Choose daily. We have here recur every 1 day, which means it will happen on a daily basis. You can also choose the exit time here. Go down to the advanced settings. Check repeat tasks every 1 hour or 5 minutes or 20 hours or whichever you feel convenient. For now I'm entering here 1 minute. We cannot go below 1 minute, okay? Now our tasks will be repeated every after 1 minute. Select here for the duration of 1 day. Our backup tasks will be repeated every after 1 minute for 1 full day, and it will happen on a daily basis because we have selected here daily. Click OK. Go to actions, click on new, enter here wscript.exe. Let's go to our VBS file. Right click here and go down to properties. Copy this folder path and paste it on notepad. Here our VBS file name is launch my backup, so add here / launch my backup.vbs. Now put this file path inside the quotation marks. Select all, right click and click on cut. Now paste here. Click OK. Go to conditions. Make sure to uncheck these two so that our backup will happen even without the AC power. Go to settings and check this. Run tasks as soon as possible after a scheduled start is missed. Now if everything looks fine here, click on OK. Here we can see our task name. Let's go back to our bash file. Right click on the bash file and click on edit. Add here quotation marks, folder path, quotation marks, backup folder path. Next add the necessary xcopy parameters yedcfhizjskrg. Let's say we want to backup files from this folder to another folder. Copy the folder path and paste it here. Enter here the path of the backup folder. You can create the backup folder on your external drive or internal drive, or it can be on your network drive. Let's create our backup folder on the drive. Type here d:/ followed by the backup folder name, or we can manually create the backup folder. Then copy the path of the backup folder and paste that here as shown in the part 1 of this video. We can see here our automatic backup folder. All the files have been copied successfully. If you want to create multiple backups, just copy these and paste it below as many times as you want and change the folder paths. In this way, we can create multiple backups at a time. Let's back up this folder. Copy the folder path and replace it here. We can back up to this same folder or create another folder. Our next backup folder name will be backup 2. Our second backup folder has been created here. Let's back up this folder. Copy the folder path and replace it here. Give the backup folder name. I'm keeping here the backup folder name as backup 3. Let's back up this folder. Copy the folder path and replace it here. Give the backup folder name. Let's back up this folder. Copy the folder path and replace it here. Give the backup folder name. If we modify or add new files in these source folders, the same can happen in these backup folders. However, if you delete files from the source folders, they will not be deleted from the backup folders. So in the next part, we will learn how to automatically delete files from the backup folder if we delete them from the source folder. We will also learn how to automatically move files from the source folder to the backup folder and much more. That's it. If you have any doubt, do let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Stay technically sound and also spread love and compassion to all.